Datta Sri Guru Datta Jai Guru 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 Datta Sri Guru Datta.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswatyai Namaha, Shri Padavallabha Narasimha Saraswati, Shri Guru Dattatreya Namaha, Shri Ganapati Satchidananda Sadgurubhyo Namo Namaha, Harihi Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Hanumate Namaha. Jai Guru Datta and welcome to Datta Arpanam with your hosts Rishi Nirvan Barup
and Ravita Singh. Jaya Guru Datta, Swagatam, and thank you for tuning in to Datta Arpanam, a showcase of the life, music and teachings of His Holiness Paramapujya Dr. Shri 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 Ganapati Satchidananda Datta Ji of Avadhuta Dattapitam in Mysuru. Today's program begins with the offering of pranams, gratitude, and this invocation prayer at the sacred feet of beloved Sadgurudeva, Pujya Shri Datta Ji or Datta Appa Ji, as this program, possible only through His divine grace, is offered to him. Please join his second in command, Pujya Shri 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 Datta Vijayananda Tirtha Swamiji now in worship.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswatyai Namaha, Shri Padavallabha Narasimha Saraswati, Shri Guru Dattatreya Namaha, Shri Ganapati Satchidananda Sadgurubhyo Namaha. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gururdevo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Bhuyuta Shri Hari Chinnhitabhyam Agastya Rekhadi Bhiranchitabhyam Nigodha Bijakshara Mudritabhyam Namo Namas Sadguru Padukabhyam. Ganapati Gurumekam Satchidanandarupam Vibhudharivahasevyam Yogamargadhirudham Sharanamupagatanam Sanghadrivajram Mama Hridaya Nivasam Bhaktinamro Namami Bhaktinamro Namami.
Once again everyone, Swagatam, and thank you for tuning in to this morning's episode of Datta Arpanam. Today's program is being brought to you through the kind courtesy of Ramlal Educational Institute of number 12 Exchange Lots Couva, Bellini's Drug Mart Limited of 58 to 60 Sutton Street, San Fernando, Debe Supermart Limited of 182 SS Erin Road, Debe, and Koke Supermart Limited of 14 Naparima Mayaro Road, San Fernando.
Last week on Datta Arpanam, you heard that Lord Srinivasa asked Lakshmi Devi to shower wealth upon anyone who worships him. The Lord said that he would keep such persons on the righteous path. From whatever wealth they offered to him, instead of paying all of it to Kuber to repay his loan, the Lord would give some of it back to his devotees and give the rest to Kuber.
Moved and satisfied by the Lord's plan, Lakshmi Devi resumed her usual seat in his chest.
Today the story continues, but only after we spend some time worshipping Lord Ganapati. Last week you heard of the importance of letting go of ego. Well, it is Lord Ganapati's left tusk which is broken. This left tusk represents ego. The broken left tusk symbolizes the absence of ego or the giving up of the feeling of doership. When we abandon feelings of I am doing, we grow in divinity.
May divinity increase in each and every one who joins in worshipping this single-tusked Lord. Please join in singing the bhajan Ekadantaya. You can find the words to this bhajan by entering bhajan ID number 9 on the Bhajanmala app or on the website www.bhajanmala.com.
Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapati, Gam Ganapataye Namaha. एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय श्रीगणेशाय नमः. एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय श्रीगणेशाय नमः.
मोदहस्ताय रक्तवर्णाय लम्बोदराय नमः.
मोदहस्ताय रक्तवर्णाय लम्बोदराय नमः.
हस्तिवदनाय सूक्ष्मनेत्राय सर्पसूत्राय नमः.
हस्तिवदनाय सूक्ष्मनेत्राय सर्पसूत्राय नमः.
बुद्धिप्रदाय सिद्धिनाथाय पाशहस्ताय नमः.
बुद्धिप्रदाय सिद्धिनाथाय पाशहस्ताय नमः.
गम गणपति, गम गणपति, गम गणपतये नमः.
गम गणपति,
गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
अर्करूपाय नाट्यप्रियाय गौरीसुताय नमः
अर्करूपाय नाट्यप्रियाय गौरीसुताय नमः
दुर्गाप्रियाय दुरितदूराय दुःखहरणाय नमः
दुर्गाप्रियाय दुरितदूराय दुःखहरणाय नमः
प्रथमवन्द्याय पापनाशाय परमात्मने नमः
प्रथमवन्द्याय पापनाशाय परमात्मने नमः
सकलविद्याय साधुवन्द्याय सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः
सकलविद्याय साधुवन्द्याय सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः
It doesn't matter how many times we take the time to think about the lessons contained within the bhajan compositions of Parama Pujya Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Dattaji, we are never disappointed. His bhajan compositions are laden with Vedanta. As he himself has explained, his bhajans are Vedanta put to song.
You were just listening to Pujya Dattaji here on Datta Arpanam. Thank you for tuning in to today's offering, which is coming to you on 103.1 FM through the grace of Pujya Sri Dattaji, and thanks to the sponsorship by Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, Valini's Drug Mart Limited, and Koke Supermart Limited. As we get ready for today's continuation of Srinivasa Kalyanam, please join in worshipping Naranarayana Maharishis, Goddess Saraswati, and Sage Vyasa. Narayanam Namaskritya Naran Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayeta.
Today's excerpt from Srinivasa Kalyanam focuses on the puja procedures practiced by Tondaman Raja, the way that king surrendered, and various methods of devotion that are found in devotees.
Remember, Lord Srinivasa was the one who had to establish peace between Tondaman and Tondaman's nephew Vasudhanu. Those two had gone to war with each other, and the battle had become quite fierce. In the end, Lord Srinivasa had commanded them to become friends and to each take half of the kingdom.
Following that war, Tondaman felt sad. He felt that Lord Srinivasa was angry with them. He felt that he should pray to that Lord.
All the sages advised Tondaman to pray to Srinivasa by offering tulasi leaves, which are that Lord's favorite.
Tondaman, since he was the king, decided to not just worship the Lord with tulsi leaves, but to worship him with golden tulsi leaves. But again, it is not the material value of an offering that touches the Lord's heart. Instead, it is the feeling within our own heart which moves him. So, although Tondaman worshipped the Lord with golden tulsi leaves, he failed to impress Lord Srinivasa. Filled with ego, although Tondaman knew that his way of worship was not impressing the Lord, he still continued to worship in this way. And on top of that, he felt that he was the Lord's best devotee.
Lord Srinivasa addressed Tondaman, saying, "Tondaman, I have many devotees. Give up the false ego, feeling that you are my only devotee. Not only that, but your mistake of feeling you are my only or my most supreme devotee, that mistake is unpardonable."
Still, Tondaman's ego did not vanish. He replied, saying, "O Lord, even if you search in every nook and cranny in all the 3 planes of existence, you will never find a devotee who is dearer than I am. I am unparalleled in my love for you, and I am your top devotee."
Tondaman felt that he was number 1 in his devotion, and that he was the foremost among the persons who had been shown compassion by the Lord.
Actually, it was the compassion shown by God which led Tondaman to having such a big ego. This response to the Lord's compassion was yet another mistake caused by the king's arrogance. When Lord Srinivasa heard what the king said, he himself stopped speaking.
Puja Dattaji has said that many devotees have this wrong notion that he or she is the best devotee. They feel that they can never make a mistake and that their way of doing things is the only correct way. They feel that there is no other devotee like them in the world. Such ego fills them from deep within. The story of Srinivasa Kalyanam is teaching us that such egoistical attitudes must be shed, and that thinking in this way is an unpardonable mistake.
Though egoistic, Tondaman did actually worship with utmost devotion. Let us learn not only from what he did wrong, but also from what he did right. With hearts filled with devotion, please join in making this humble offering at the feet of the Divine Mother.
Today is International Women's Day. Let us take a moment to remember all that women have done to uplift this society. Just look at Trinidad and Tobago, for example. Our head of state, the president, is female. Our prime minister is female. The leader of the opposition is also female. So as we remember the roles played by females in our society, let us join in worshipping the supreme female aspect of divinity.
Without the Divine Mother and without our biological mother, none of us would be here today. So please join in offering this bhajan for the welfare of all the women who have had an impact on our lives. Please open the Bhajan Mala app or website to Bhajan ID number 949 and join in this offering.
The second or final charana of the bhajan feels particularly pertinent to the celebration of International Women's Day. It worships Mother Goddess, saying, "The entire universe is filled with your consciousness." Since you are the cause, this universe, which is the effect, is not different from you. There's no place in the three cities of gross, subtle, and causal bodies where your stream of knowledge does not flow. You reflect in all activities from the mind onwards, making us experience everything. You are Guru Satchidananda. Therefore, O Goddess, if there's anything to be attained, it is only you.
Listeners, once again, the bhajan ID number for this moving bhajan is 949.
दक्षिणामूर्ति रूपे शिवे त्वं हयग्रीवासि कृष्णात्मिके हे दक्षिणामूर्ति रूपे शिवे त्वं हयग्रीवासि कृष्णात्मिके हे दक्षिणामूर्ति रूपे शिवे त्वं हयग्रीवासि कृष्णात्मिके जातासि चिद्रूपिणी चासि चिद्बोधिका त्वं हि नान्या परा त्वं ब्रह्मकर्त्री च त्वं ब्रह्मपत्नी च ब्रह्म प्रवाहोऽसि सारस्वती चित्कुण्डजातासि चिद्रूपिणी चासि चिद्बोधिका त्वं हि नान्या परा त्वं ब्रह्मकर्त्री च त्वं ब्रह्मपत्नी च ब्रह्म प्रवाहोऽसि सारस्वती हे दक्षिणामूर्ति रूपे शिवे त्वं हयग्रीवासि कृष्णात्मिके पूर्णासि ब्रह्माण्डमेवासि कुत्र प्रवाहोऽस्ति ते त्रैपुरे मतिरसित्वं देवि गतिरसित्वं देवि गुरुरसि श्री सच्चिदानन्ददे ब्रह्माण्डपूर्णासि ब्रह्माण्डमेवासि पुत्रप्रवाहोऽस्ति ते त्रैपुरे मतिरसि त्वं देवि गतिरसि त्वं देवि गुरुरसि श्री सच्चिदानन्ददे पपनि सरिसा गगपानि सानि गगपा पापनि नी सा सा सरि sa ni sa pa pa ni sa ni pa ga ri ri ga pa pa ni sa ri ga ri ga ri 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 sa ri ga ri 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 sa ri ga sa sa ri ri ni sa sa ga ga pa 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 ri ri ga pa ga ga ri sa ri ri ga ri ri sa ni ga pa pani pani ni sa pani pani sa ri ga pa ni pa sa ni pa sa ri sa ni pa ni ri sa ni pa ga ri ga pa ga ri ga pa pa ni sa ni pa ni sa ri sa ni sa sa ri ga pa pa ri ga pa ni sa ni ga pa ni sa ri sa ri sa ni pa ni sa ni pa ga pa ri sa ni pa ga ri हे दक्षिणामूर्ति रूपे शिवे त्वं हयग्रीवासि कृष्णात्मिके हे दक्षिणामूर्ति रूपे शिवे त्वं हयग्रीवासि कृष्णात्मिके
From the Datta Arpanam team, Happy International Women's Day to all the women out there. Today, as the story of Srinivasa Kalyanam continues here on 103.1 FM, you heard about the ego and arrogance with which Tondaman Raja worshipped Lord Srinivasa.
Tondaman's arrogance did not recede. One day, as he performed his puja, to his surprise, he saw that the golden leaves offered by him were falling to the side instead of onto the Lord's feet.
What was seen on the Lord's feet was a heap of tulsi leaves made of clay.
Again and again, Tondaman offered golden tulsi leaves, but these disappeared, and to his surprise, tulsi leaves made of clay appeared in their place.
Tondaman got scared. He wondered if this was a sign that Lord Srinivasa was unhappy with his worship. His ego started deflating. Feeling that Venkateshwara Swami or Lord Srinivasa was not accepting his worship and was unhappy with him, the king held on to the Lord's feet and started crying and pleading with him.
Listeners, let us too join our voices in a plea to the Lord. O Lord Srinivasa, Ehi, please come. Pahi, please protect me. Trahi Papa Nasha, please save me, O destroyer of sins.
Everyone, please open the Bhajan Mala app or website to Bhajan ID number 933 and join in offering this prayer at the Lord's divine feet. And do not think about whether you have a melodic voice or not. Tondaman Raja is offering the Lord golden tulsi leaves, yet it is clay tulsi leaves which are making their way to touch the Lord's feet. This shows us that the packaging of the offering matters far less than the feeling that goes into the offering. So everyone, feel the love and feel the devotion as you join in singing this bhajan. Once again, the bhajan ID number is 933.
Egi Srinivasa, Pahi Venkatesha. Egi Srinivasa, Pahi Venkatesha. Kamhite Vibhasa, Trahi Papanasha. Kamhite Vibhasa, Trahi Papanasha. Egi Srinivasa, Pahi Venkatesha.
Egi Srinivasa, Pahi Venkatesha.
Aradhi Ganga, Sakrat Dehi Netri. Aradhi Ganga, Sakrat Dehi Netri. Bega Dehi Mekre, Abad Chitte.
Dega Dehi Megre, Baba Dehi Chitte.
Egi Srinivasa, Pahi Venkatesha. Kamhite Vibhasa, Trahi Papanasha. Kamhite Vibhasa,
Trahi Papanasha.
Pade Testi Mahima, Lakshmi Rurasi Testi. Pade Testi Mahima,
Lakshmi Rurasi Testi.
Netre Testi Karuna, Sarvatrasti Chasuda.
Nirde Testi Karuna, Sarvatrasti Chasudha.
Egi Srinivasa, Pahi Venkatesha. Kamhite Vibhasa, Trahi Papanasha.
Kamhite Vibhasa, Trahi Papanasha.
Tome Jyotirisha, Tome Pranayeva. Tome Jyotirisha,
Tume Pranayeva.
Tunge Samvidacha, Sachidananda Gucha.
Tume Samvidacha, Sachidananda Gucha. Egi Srinivasa, Pahi Venkatesha. Kamhite Vibhasa, Trahi Papanasha. Kamhite Vibhasa, Trahi Papanasha. Egi Srinivasa, Pahi Venkatesha. Egi Srinivasa, Pahi Venkatesha.
A beautiful bhajan on a beautiful Sunday morning when we are contemplating upon the beautiful story of Srinivasa Kalyanam. Thank you for tuning in to this morning's episode of Datta Arpanam, which is coming to you on 103.1 FM through the grace of Parama Pujya Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Datta Ji, and thanks to the sponsorship by Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, Valini's Drug Mart Limited, and Kokie Supermart Limited. A little while ago, you heard that Tondaman, feeling like his golden tulsi leaves were being rejected by the Lord, held on to the Lord's feet and cried.
The Universal Father, seeing his child in this state, felt a wave of compassion towards Tondaman. The Lord's heart melted.
From the Murti itself, the Lord's voice emerged, saying that he had many devotees who are very dear to him. These devotees consider him to be everything. The Lord told Tondaman that he, Tondaman, was not the only devotee of the Lord.
Lord Srinivasa mentioned a staunch devotee, a potter called Bhima. He told Tondaman that Bhima treated a tree in his house as his Lord Srinivasa, and with utmost diligence he worshipped that tree with tulsi leaves made of mud.
The Lord explained to Tondaman that he was very pleased with Bhima's worship, and so he blessed him. The tulsi leaves offered by the potter are now seen at my feet, said Lord Srinivasa. Go and meet this potter. Learn from him what true devotion is.
From there, Tondaman immediately walked to the potter's home. The entire street was filled with devotees of the Lord. From every home, the Lord's names were being chanted. Everyone there bore the Lord's sacred mark or tilakam on their forehead.
Tondaman was stunned. He asked around to find out where Bhima, the potter, lived, and finally located the house.
The house was an epitome of cleanliness and purity. It was conducive to meditation.
An exhausted Tondaman collapsed at the front of Bhima's house. He had been asking everyone, "Who is Bhima? I want to hold his feet and learn about devotion from him."
From that house, a man hurriedly came out. It was Bhima. He wondered why the king was at his doorstep asking for him. What was wrong, he wondered.
When Bhima then immediately sprinkled water on the collapsed king, Tondaman Raja recovered, opened his eyes, and asked Bhima who had taught him the procedure for worshipping the Lord. "What is the procedure you follow at home?" asked the king. "The leaves that you offer here in your home are appearing on the Lord's feet. How is this possible? Please explain to me in detail."
Bhima replied, saying, "O king, please tell me who gave you this secret information. Without taking offense, kindly tell me this."
The king replied, saying that Lord Srinivasa himself had revealed the secret.
That was when Bhima explained that no one had taught him how to do puja. He performed puja based on his firm belief and conviction. In other words, he performed puja from his heart. That was all there was to it.
"I am so pleased with your arrival here today," said the potter. "The king himself has come to my house. Seeing you here today brought back some old memories. In the past, Lord Srinivasa had given me some boons. Back then he said, 'O Bhima, the moment your devotion becomes well known, causing King Tondaman to come to your doorstep, you will be blessed with liberation.'"
While all of this was happening, Lord Srinivasa, seated on his vehicle Garuda, manifested in that home. He asked Garuda to call Bhima.
Garuda brought Bhima close to the Lord. In great astonishment and bliss, the potter offered prostrations to the Lord or bowed down before the Lord. His eyes were filled with tears. He asked his wife to also offer obeisance.
Bhima's mind went blank. He was speechless. He kept staring at the Lord with no thoughts.
Listeners, Pujya Dattaji has said that those who arrange the story of Bhima, those who listen to it, and those who render it will all go to Vishnu Loka. So be sure to tune in to next Sunday's episode of Datta Arpanam when this divine story will continue. In the meantime, let us join in worshipping the one who is the epitome of selfless devotion. Let us worship Lord Hanuman. Please open the Bhajan Mala app or website to Bhajan ID number 1062 and offer song, dance, and your heart to Lord Hanuman.
ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲು ಪ್ರೇಮ 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 ಅಂಜನ ಸುತನೆ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಅಮಿತ ಪರಾಕ್ರಮ ಬಲರಾಯ 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 ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಶಿಷ್ಯನೇ ಸಪ್ರಕಾಶನೆ ವಜ್ರಕಾಯನೆ ವಂದಿಪೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಶಿಷ್ಯನೇ ಸ್ವಪ್ರಕಾಶನೆ ವಜ್ರಕಾಯನೆ ವಂದಿಪೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಶಿಷ್ಯನೇ ಸ್ವಪ್ರಕಾಶನೆ ವಜ್ರಕಾಯನೆ ವಂದಿಪೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಶಿಷ್ಯನೇ ಸ್ವಪ್ರಕಾಶನೆ ವಜ್ರಕಾಯನೆ ವಂದಿಪೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಭಾಗವತೋತ್ತಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಕಾಯುವ ಭವ್ಯ ರೂಪನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮನಕ್ಕೆ 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 ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಪವನ ಕುಮಾರನೆ ಮಹಾಯೋಗಿಯೇ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ತರುಮೂಲ ವಾಸನೆ 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 ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲು ಪ್ರೇಮ ವ್ಯಾಕರಣನೆ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ರೂಪನೆ ಸ್ಥೂಲ ರೂಪನೆ ನೀನೇ ಗತಿಯೋ ನವ ವ್ಯಾಕರಣನೆ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ರೂಪನೆ ಸ್ಥೂಲ ರೂಪನೆ ನೀನೇ ಗತಿಯೋ ನವ ವ್ಯಾಕರಣನೆ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ರೂಪನೆ ಸ್ಥೂಲ ರೂಪನೆ ನೀನೇ ಗತಿಯೋ ನವ ವ್ಯಾಕರಣನೆ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ರೂಪನೆ ಸ್ಥೂಲ ರೂಪನೆ ನೀನೇ ಗತಿಯೋ ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಲಂಕಿಣಿ ಮೋಕ್ಷಕ ವಿಭೀಷಣ ಪ್ರಿಯ ವಜ್ರಭೂಷಣ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ 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 ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲು ಪ್ರೇಮ 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 ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ 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 ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ
On that divine note, everyone, today's episode of Datta Arpanam now begins to draw to an end.
Pranams and gratitude are offered at the divine feet of beloved Sadgurudeva, Paramapujya Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Datta Ji and Sri Datta Vijayananda Tirtha Swami Ji, without whose teachings, compassion, love, guidance and music, this program would not exist.
Pranams to you, Puja Sri Datta Ji and Sri Swami Ji. Kindly forgive any errors which may have been committed in preparing or in sharing today's episode of Datta Arpanam, and please guide us to avoid such errors in the future.
Special thanks are extended to the staff at 103.1 FM and to the sponsors of Datta Arpanam, Valini's Drug Mart Limited, Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, and Kokie Supermart Limited. And of course, dear listener, an extra special thank you is extended to you for sharing this devotional hour with us.
If you would like to listen to today's program again, check out the Datta Arpanam Facebook page, where later this week the YouTube link for today's episode will be shared.
Once again, everyone, thank you for tuning in today. You are invited to please tune in to 103.1 FM again next Sunday at 6 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time for another episode of Datta Arpanam, a showcase of the life, music and teachings of His Holiness Paramapujya Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Datta Ji.
Jai Guru Datta.
Shri Guru Datta. Etat phalam Shri Sadguru Charanar Vindar Parnamastu. Harihi Om Tat Sat.
जगति तुलसी जयति त्रिपुरुष विनुत जयति त्रिजगति तुलसी जयति त्रिपुरुष विनुत जयति गोलोकाद्भुव मायात सशङ्कसाल ग्रामायुत गोलोकाद्भुव मायात सशङ्कसाल ग्रामायुत बिल्वसमत्वा गिरिशनुत सच्चिदानन्द विपाकहित बिल्वसमत्वा गिरिशनुत सच्चिदानन्द विपाकहित सच्चिदानन्द विपाकहित त्रिजगति तुलसी जयति त्रिपुरुष विनुत जयति त्रिजगति तुलसी जयति त्रिपुरुष विनुत जयति त्रिजगति तुलसी जयति त्रिपुरुष विनुत जयति त्रिजगति तुलसी जयति त्रिपुरुष विनुत जयति
श्रीदत्तवेङ्कटेशाय नमः 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 श्रीदत्तवेङ्कटेशाय नमः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ तत्सत्